having more quality reviews on your GMB is definitely going to impact your rankings and also your conversions, right? So instead of asking the customer to leave a generic review like this is a nice service, this is a good service, this is a nice product, encourage them to leave a story based review, right? So what do I mean by that? I'm gonna give you the story based review structure here. So the number one thing is how they found you, the problem they had, the solution you have given them, and the end result, right? So this will be more engaging for the other viewer who's watching the review, and this will also build more trust, right? See, I'm gonna give more weightage to the review that is story based or which is more authentic or detailed, right? So you are directly educating them, indirectly educating them on what to mention in the reviews, so they know what to mention, right? So you need to be in a place to educate them on how to leave a proper review, right? So hope this video helps, guys, and until next time, take care.